Well, I've been busy sanding, so the sides and the front were sanded already to 180, and so I started on the top, and so this is sanded to 150 right at the moment, and the drawer fronts are sanded to 150 as well. So I've got another grade to go, and then the whole table will be at 180, but I'm going to take it to 220, so I've got some more sanding to do. Well, I need to put the poles on before I finish the cabinet, so and of course I'll take them off during finishing, but I've got these two here that I got in economy sale, and as it turns out they're not brass, they're brass coated probably, but they're steel. But this one here is pretty nice and a little easier to bend since there's less metal in it. So what I did was made a false front here, practice one that's the same curve, and I'm not sure that I like it. I could make it work, but it's a lot of work first of all to bend a steel one, and then the bail has these little things that keep it straight. They have to be ground off to make it fit on the round one, and then the little knobs here, pins, they don't come off of these, they're attached. So that makes them a little harder to work with, and they're stamped on there, so it's hard. So I may order some poles, but for the size and the color, I think they're alright. So I think I'll give Horton Brasses a call and order a set. So I'm still working on the hardware. I ordered some different drawer pulls for it from Ball and Ball, but when I first drilled I bent the thing to fit the curve, and when I first drilled the holes, I said, how hard can it be, you know? So I just guesstimated the angle that they would have to be drilled, and I drilled a couple of holes in the front of this test drawer front, and as you can see, it took me quite a few tries to get it to the right angle. So I said, well, that's not going to work when I get around to doing the good ones. So I did finally get it in there so that the screws would hold it in, but I figured, well, I better make a jig. So I calculated the angle that it should be from front to back, and calculated it out to be 15 degrees. I suppose I could have worked it out mathematically, since this is a 12-inch diameter circle. And so anyway, I made this jig here. These are 15-degree slopes here, and you just set the drawer front on there. I could have slanted obviously the drill press table to 15 degrees, but it's hard to do, you know, set up and all that sort of thing. So I just built this little ramp here to hold the drawers. So I've got four that are convex like this. So when it's mounted in this little jig, the hole now is perpendicular to the base, and it just goes straight through, and then you turn it around, of course, and drill the other hole, and sure enough, it fits it just right, and the angle is correct, so that the screw holes line up in the back, and they they fit right in. So looks like this is a good one for the convex, but I have two concave drawers which are similar to this, but like so, and so this jig will not work for them, so we're going to have to devise something for them. So I'm waiting for the drawer handles to come in, and then we'll get them mounted on the drawer. So this is a jig that I made a number of years ago for the table saw for cutting various angles, and so here you see it set up for the 15-degree wedges that I needed to cut. Here, it comes down to 0 in the corner, of course, but that was it. So you can vary it. I've used it to taper legs and other things that I've had to cut on an angle over the years, so works just fine.